All right, so this is a short video to kind of step you through how to upload assignments in hypergrade. Not all assignments are going to be asked to be submitted in hypergrade, but if they are, this is what you'll do. In your assignment page in Canvas, simply clicking on the assignment in hypergrade will take you to this screen, which is your actual assignment. If I click on it, gives you an idea of, first of all, let me let you know that the points that are assigned here in hypergrade are not the points that you're receiving. Your point value is what's listed in Canvas and not what's listed here in hypergrade. You can see the due date. In this case, it's 7:15 on Sunday. Actually, all of your due dates are due Sunday night by 11:55 p.m., so that's not quite accurate, but it's giving us an example. Here you can see the question that's being asked of you, your problem you're supposed to be solving. And then if you click on View Required Output, you can see maybe there'll be one test case. In this example, we're just outputting the hello world. If you're receiving input from the user might have different types of input or different inputs, so you may have more than one test case. So this gives you an example of what your code should be outputting. You can click on Turn In. You'll see this screen, or if you log into your account, you'll see this screen, and this is a listing of your current and past assignments. You can see that it's due in 7 days. It's due June 11th, and at the moment it's incomplete. So if I click on Submit, I can drag my file into hypergrade. There's my Hello World submission, and I can run it. And what it's going to do is test my output to the output that is in the sample file that I've uploaded as part of this hypergrade assignment. And in the moment, I'm getting a test case 1 failed. So as far as hypergrade is concerned, these two programs are not the same. And you have to be careful with this and understand that I will be looking at your source code, not whether or not this passed or failed. And the only reason why this is, quote, failing at the moment is because in this output, there is only one space, but in my source code, there's 2 spaces between hello world. And so as far as hypergrade is concerned, this is a fail. To me, obviously, that's not a fail. It would certainly pass, you'd get all your points if you did the code as it was defined in the directions. But you are certainly welcome to submit as many times as you would like. And so in this case, I'm going to fix that extra space. I'm just have one space. I'm going to save it. And then I'm re-uploading it, and now when I run my test case, it should pass. So now I get the green go, and it's saying everything is passing, and my spaces match the amount of spaces that are required in hypergrade. But please, I understand it can be frustrating. You're being graded in hypergrade. It's only testing that your output matches exactly what hypergrade's output is. So it's very possible you're getting the results that are required, but hypergrade is saying you're not, and recognize that I am looking at your code and will be grading you on your code, not necessarily what was output. That's more concerning to me. But anyway, at this point, this particular file passed. It's passed. I've had it submitted as many times as I want by the due date. I can go into my, oops, wrong one, home. I can go here and see that it's completed, and I get a status on it. Once you're completed uploading it into hypergrade, it's important, please, when you have decided that your final submission is the one you want graded, go back into your Canvas assignment and make sure you put in the comment field there for the assignment, submitted or ready to be graded or something to indicate that you have submitted your last version and you want it to be graded. You will not get credit for it if you've uploaded it into hypergrade but didn't indicate in Canvas that you're ready for it to be submitted. You have to do both steps in order for me to go and grade it and get credit for the submission. If you have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to email me or get in touch with me. And that's hypergrade.